So we all ask the question, what's new? What's new at Shabby Fabrics? Well, here's what's new. We have kicked off a brand new series, Foundation Paper Piecing Series 4. Customers cannot get enough of foundation paper piecing, so here we go with a brand new series. I want to show you what you can expect. Number one, I'll be with you every single month, and we get to step through that process. Always the first video is a deep dive, so if you've never done this before, I take you from beginner to successful in one video. Just give me about an hour and 20 minutes of your time, and you'll see absolutely learnable. Not intuitive, but very learnable. So I want to show you what you can expect. Obviously, beautiful results. All of the fabrics you're seeing in the sample will be in your kit, no substitutions. I like that. I don't like to see something on the quilt and get a kit like similar. No. You want to get the exact fabrics we show you, of course. A tested pattern in full color. That's so valuable. You don't want to have an error in your pattern. You just want to have fun and know that we've taken care of the mistakes, so you have a perfect pattern to proceed. Foundation papers are included. And if you're a maker of foundation paper piecing, you know how valuable this is, because many foundation paper piecing books expect you to go Xerox pages of this. We don't have time for that. We want to be makers. We want to be doers right now when we open our kit. All of the foundation paper piecing kits at Shabby Fabrics have all of your foundation paper piecings at full scale included, and stickers to keep you organized. Make a cut and sticker. This is going to be an incredible series. We've heard so many things from consumers, customers, and friends along the way for the last 3 years that this is going to be the best series ever. So head to the website. Be sure to pick up Foundation Paper Piecing Series 4. This is the April project. There's a thread set. And be sure to grab the add a quarter rulers. That's a very important part. And of course, join me on that tutorial. And subscribe. This is how you'll always know when we have brand new videos on Tuesdays of every week at 10 a.m. You can look forward to another video from Shabby Fabrics, at least one video a week, and more coming your way. So if you're wondering how you should be spending your time, and there's so many options of different people you can watch for tutorials, hey, we are proud to say this is what we're experts at. This is what we invest our whole heart in to bring you incredible products and education. So again, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel here and hit the bell. And I look forward to seeing you on a future Shabby video.